Hello everyone, welcome to Cleobrain YouTube channel. In this video, you will get very important Indian geography questions. All these questions are previously asked in all competitive exams. So guys, please watch complete video carefully. Don't skip even one question. All questions are important. This video is Indian Geography Part 1. It contains 50 questions and remaining 50 questions covered in Part 2. So guys, without further delay, let's start. Question number 1. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which of these Indian states? Correct answer is Odisha. Question number 2. Which river of India is called Vridha Ganga? Correct answer is Godavari. Question number 3. Which latitude passes through the middle of India? Correct answer is Tropic of Cancer. Question number 4. Which foreign country is closest to Andaman Islands? Correct answer is Myanmar. Question number 5. The state of Assam has? Correct answer is 5 national parks and 11 wildlife sanctuaries. Question number 6. Which of the following is a Trans-Himalayan river? Correct answer is Indus. Question number 7. India lies in which hemisphere of Earth? Correct answer is northern and eastern. Question number 8. The state having largest area under wasteland is? Correct answer is Rajasthan. Question number 9. Which region in India is known as Rice Bowl of India? Correct answer is Krishna Godavari Delta region. Question number 10. Which water body separates Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Correct answer is 10-degree channel. Question number 11. The Paitan hydroelectric project completed with the help of Japan is on which river? Correct answer is Godavari. Question number 12. The percentage of irrigated land in India is about? Correct answer is 35%. Question number 13. The southernmost point of peninsular India, that is Kanyakumari, is? Correct answer is north of equator. Question number 14. The pass located at the southern end of the Nilgiri Hills in South India is called? Correct answer is the Palghat Gap. Question number 15. The principal copper deposits of India lie in which of the following places? Correct answer is Hazirabad and Singhbhum of Bihar. Question number 16. The Yarlung Jangbo river in India is known as? Correct answer is Brahmaputra. Question number 17. The Salal project is on which river? Correct answer is Chenab river. Question number 18. The only zone in the country that produces gold is also rich in iron is? Correct answer is Southern zone. Question number 19. The percentage of Earth's surface covered by India is? Correct answer is 2.4%. Question number 20. The present forest area of India according to satellite data is? Correct answer is decreasing. Question number 21. The India's highest annual rainfall is reported at? Correct answer is Maisinram, Meghalaya. Question number 22. The refineries are Mathura, Tigboi and Panipat are set up by? Correct answer is Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Question number 23. What is the predominant type of Indian agriculture? Correct answer is subsistence agriculture. Question number 24. The Radcliffe line is a boundary between? Correct answer is India and Pakistan. Question number 25. Which of the following has a potential for harnessing of tidal energy in India? Correct answer is Gulf of Cambay. Question number 26. The typical area of sal forest in the Indian peninsular upland occurs. Correct answer is on the Malwa Plateau. Question number 27. The state having a largest area of forest cover in India is. Correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Question number 28. The year dash is called a great divide in the demographic history of India. Correct answer is 1921. Question number 29. The only private sector refinery set up by Reliance Petrol Limited is located at. Correct answer is Jamnagar. Question number 30. The only state in India that produces saffron is. Correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 31. Three important rivers of Indian subcontinent have their sources near the Manasarovar Lake in the Great Himalayas. These rivers are. Correct answer is Brahmaputra, Indus and Sutlej rivers. Question number 32. The zonal soil type of peninsular India belongs to. Correct answer is red soils. Question number 33. The northern boundary of the peninsular plateau of India runs parallel to the Ganga and the Yamuna from Rajmahal Hills to a point near. Correct answer is Delhi. Question number 34. Which of the following food grain crops occupies the largest part of the cropped area in India? Correct answer is rice. Question number 35. The number of major languages recognized in Indian Union as official language are. Correct answer is 22. Question number 36. The oldest rocks in India are reported from. Correct answer is Dharwar region, Karnataka. Question number 37. Which of the following groups of rivers originate from the Himachal mountains? Correct answer is Beas, Ravi and Chenab. Question number 38. Which of the following groups of states has the largest deposits of iron ore? Correct answer is Bihar and Orissa. Question number 39. Which of the following union territories of India has the highest density of population per square kilometer? Correct answer is Delhi. Question number 40. Which atomic power station in India is built completely indigenously? Correct answer is Kalpakam. Question number 41. The southwest monsoon contributes dash of the total rain in India. Correct answer is 86%. Question number 42. The Simla Convention is an agreement that sets. Correct answer is boundary between India and Tibet. Question number 43. The oldest oil field in India is the dash field in dash. Correct answer is Digboi in Assam. Question number 44. The outer Himalayas lies between. Correct answer is the Himalayas and the Indo-Gangetic Plain. Question number 45. Which of the following drainage systems fall into Bay of Bengal? Correct answer is both A and B. Ganga, Brahmaputra and Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna and Kaveri. Question number 46. Which of the following regions is the source of origination of the Toda tribe? Correct answer is Nilgiri Hills. Question number 47. The oldest mountains in India are. Correct answer is Aravalli mountain. Question number 48. Which of the following groups of rivers have their sources of origin in Tibet? Correct answer is Brahmaputra, Indus and Sutlej. Question number 49. Which of the following crops needs maximum water per hectare? Correct answer is sugarcane. Question number 50. The watershed between India and Myanmar is formed by. Correct answer is the Naga Hills.